Ayan. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Oscar. So, okay. Yeah, I'm waiting. Come on. So, me and Oscar are riding bicycle around our villa, around our area. Just 2 rounds. Listen, give me my money. Oh my God, I have a lot of money. Okay, let's go.
It's like 1 yen and 5 cents.
Oh, yeah. Oh, go, careful. Careful. You need to be careful, careful. Huh? What's that?
Can I go that way?
Okay, let's go. You go that way. Oh my God. Look at but I'm using one hand. Okay. Oops. Hala. Okay. Look at us. Bye. Bye. Ay! So, ayan. Lilinisan natin tong ano to, sofa. Yes, kasi ang dumi. So, I'm using Everyone, good morning, good morning. So today is Saturday, November 30. Oh my God, last day of the month of on November. So goodbye November, hi December. By the way, hi Oscar, good morning. Oh no, she's not in the mood right now. Yeah, so we're going to Marco's house. Yeah, they're having a math class together.
What?
It's a math class. Oh no, it's a Chinese class. Sorry, oh my God. I'm so sorry. Yeah. So today is busy day. After this one, singing class. After singing class, swimming class. Yes, finally, we have swimming. Okay, bye. Okay, go. Try to call. 1. Dun, dun, dun. Come on. Someone is... Yeah, this is... Oh my God. So slippery. Okay. So we're going to the 5th floor. Yes. So waiting. Let's wait first. Still not down. Oh my God. I'm cold, Oscar. I'm cold. Oh my God. What are they? Yeah, it's down now. Ah la 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 la. Their area is nice, right? Look. So, okay. We're here. B? Oh my goodness. They're going to the B1. B basement. So we need to wait for, I think, I don't know how many minutes we need to wait. It's here now. Open sesame. Yay! Okay, 5. So bye for now, guys. Bye, Oscar.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Look at his eyes. Yeah, because he slept so late last night. Bleh.